Which ones?
I like the black ones. I mean, I don't.
It's fine.
Is that what
I'll
you're
figure it
wearing? Like, I just don't also really know what you're wearing. Well, I'm Autumn. I'm here to watch your cat George. I saw the listing that you posted.
Amazing.
Yeah. So, is it gonna be for the 2 hours, like you said? Cause.
Well, I might need you overnight because I do have a date tonight, and if it goes according to plan, I won't be coming home. But you will be fairly compensated.
I don't think I can do overnight. I have stuff that I have to do tomorrow, like...
How does $2,000 cash sound?
Yeah, sure. Where do I sleep?
Okay, I'm leaving.
Okay, it's just gonna be me and George here, so...
Alright, well, if you need anything, there's plenty of food, blankets, help yourself.
Okay, what about George? Is he...
Oh, that's right. I fed him. I'll leave the door cracked for him.
Okay, what if he does need food, though? If he ends up eating it all?
Do not go in my fucking room.
Okay, I didn't know if he needed anything, like...
Only my little man is allowed in there.
Okay, got it.
Okay, my baby. Mommy's off to go find you a new daddy. And just so we're clear, you have this entire apartment to yourself, but if you go into that fucking room, I will know.
Got it.
All right. Well, hopefully I'll see you tomorrow.
Awesome. I'll see you later. George. Alright, you're not fucking doing anything.
Little Robbie, he's got both. If they just bought into that Zachary tradition. You're right, exactly, BC. Your playoff game with at least 30 more than any other club.
On Coursera, you can earn a bachelor's degree and find over 5,000 for 72 hours. L5 Hyaluronic Pump from L'Oreal Paris. We're worth it.
I'm your overly competitive brother. Check.
George.
Did I say that word right? Cerebral. God damn it, guys, I told you. Don't give me words like that when I'm mad. Because it makes me look stupid if I don't pronounce it correctly. But I think I know what it means. I'm going to get a little cerebral with you.
Hey.
Hey, have you heard about this lady that just pulled off a $20 million heist?
No, when? Where?
Like, literally, like, recently. I literally thought it was fake. I thought it was, like, part of a movie or something, because that's the only place I've ever heard of somebody pulling something like that off.
Yeah, I mean, I've been cat sitting tonight, so I haven't watched anything, but is it big? Is it all over the news?
It's literally everywhere, on everything.
Oh my god.
It's insane. I was getting notifications like crazy.
What would you even do with that much money?
Dude, I wouldn't even know what to do with myself. Like, move to Hawaii or buy my own island or something. I don't even know.
No, yeah, I think I would start with paying off my college debt. That would be number one. And then, yeah, just travel after that. Like, come on. I mean, 20 million? Oh my god.
It's a disgusting amount of money.
Oh,
Gosh.
but
Anyway, how's sitting? How's it going?
it's going. She's a little odd, but she's gone for the night, so it's fine. Well, I don't know how long she's gone for, but
Really? Why is she weird?
she just made it very clear that I am not to go in her room. Like, do not go in there. So,
You think she has like weird sex toys or something?
honestly, I mean, I wouldn't hold it past her. She seems like she was a character for sure. But
or maybe
yeah, no.
she was the robber and there's actually $20 million in there.
Oh my god, imagine. Or a dead body. Should
Or
I
a dead body from the heist.
Yeah, literally. Should I check? Make sure nothing.
Yes, you should check. Because, one, we need to know either this girl's a sex weirdo or she's a rich person. So, if you don't check right now, I will have to go there and check myself.
Alright. I'm going in. Doing a quick safety. I'm really not supposed to be
Dead
in
body?
here. No dead bodies. All I'm seeing is a little Louis V wallet happening.
Okay.
Yeah. But I'm really not supposed to be in here. So I love you. I'm just going to hang up the call because I don't want to find out what she'll do if she knows.
No, you're good. I'll let you go. But definitely keep me updated on what you find.
Yes, I will. Love you.
Years. And I find it a little insulting that you don't think I could pull this off.
You know what? I trust you. I'm letting go.
Okay.
Hey? You know orange is over, right?
It's a simple party. I can do it.
Simple. Perfect.
Yeah, just a simple party. I'm simply taking Cam's favorite movie.
She didn't make it home. George. George. Oh my god. 20 fucking $1 million? Are you kidding me right now?